Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how I make my lemon rice. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Leftover rice is perfect for this recipe as well. 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice, or you can add it according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and if you want to make it all vegan, then you can use 2 tablespoons of oil. 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 dry chili broken in half, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 12 to 15 cashew nuts. I'm using roasted cashew nuts, but you can use raw cashew nuts, and 1 tablespoon of water. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add oil and ghee and heat it. Add cashew nuts, give it a mix and fry it for 1 minute. Add mustard seeds, dry chilies and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it until the mustard seeds start to pop. Add asafoetida and turmeric and give it a mix. Add rice and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well to combine. Sprinkle water on top of the rice. Put a lid on and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn the heat off and add lemon juice. You can add lemon juice according to your taste. Give it a mix and let me dish it out and show you. My lemon rice is ready and you can serve it on its own or with some pickle, raita or some papadum. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.